PGO Automobile is a car maker located in Alès in southern France. We build cars in small production runs. We're the third largest car maker in France after Renault and Peugeot Citroën, but our volume is nowhere near theirs. Our mission is to make vehicles that match our customers' requirements with highly personalized interior design, leather or color. Anything's possible. This is our raison d'être and is what makes us attractive. Until now, we were in an intermediate phase. We've now switched to BMW engines for both automatic and manual transmission. 60 people work at PGO, including 40 in Alès. Until recently, we produced around a dozen vehicles per year. But over the last 2 years, we've worked on our manufacturing process so as to boost our capacity to 1 vehicle per day, or even a bit more, without changing the process. Before selecting our ERP, we solicited bids from several companies. We decided on Yourcegid Manufacturing PMI because the relationship between investment, user-friendliness and our objectives was just right. Implementing the system with our human resources worked out very, very well. Support was excellent and Cegid did a great job in integration. I mean, we implemented just what was necessary without creating a big, cumbersome IT system. We were relatively surprised, inasmuch as 90% of our requirements were in the standard solution, and our special requirements could be managed through report generators. We didn't need any specific development, which was a concern at the outset, because in an ERP system, there are often specific applications that must be created. So we were pleasantly surprised in this regard. Our previous solution was a simple CAPM application, used mainly for inventory management. We had a multitude of other internally developed applications built around it, based on Excel tables and similar tools. So information was duplicated 3 or 4 times in the company. What convinced us to go to a new system was the advantage of having a single set of data. Yourcegid Manufacturing PMI gives us that. Yourcegid Manufacturing PMI was a judicious choice in that integration was relatively quick. We chose the solution in July, and deployment and training started in September. The system went live in February. So in 6 to 8 months, we did the analysis, the deployment, and the training. We also allotted the necessary resources during this whole period. 2 days of training per week, and all the internal people involved were available. The objective we initially set for ourselves was achieved in the allotted time, which was really satisfying. When we installed the solution, we also made changes in our production processes, specifically workstation upgrades and a new supply flow. 1 year later, we are now completely satisfied with Yourcegid Manufacturing PMI. It meets our needs. We have a single data set, and with a report generator, we have our tables of key indicators when we want them, which is just great.